Majority of the businesses here is dependent on tourism, and due to the COVID-19 pandemic, obviously there's no traveling, so Ladakh has been impacted the most, I feel.
More than 50% of the population of Ladakh, जो ले डिस्ट्रिक्ट एज अ स्पेशल, वो पूरा इस पे डिपेंड है यहाँ पे। तो इस साल ये कोरोना कोविड-19 की वजह से जो यहाँ पे लॉकडाउन है, यहाँ पे पूरे नेशनल इंटरनेशनल पूरा लॉकडाउन है यहाँ पे, उसकी वजह से यहाँ पे टूरिस्ट बंद है, सब कुछ बंद है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमारे जितने भी सारे लोग हैं वो टूरिज्म पे डिपेंड था, उस पर बैडली सफ़र हुआ है यहाँ पे।
कोरोना वायरस की वजह से हमें बहुत सारा नुकसान झेलना पड़ा। अराउंड 4000 टैक्सी से जो कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड करता है टूरिज्म पे। तो ड्यू टू दिस पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन हमारा टूरिज्म कम्प्लीटली ठप है, और इसकी वजह से हमें तकरीबन अप्रोक्सीमेटली हमारा 24 से 25 करोड़ का नुकसान हो रहा है।
When Ladakh was granted a union territory status last year, it came as a shot in the arm for the local hospitality and tourism industry, with people hoping for better representation and moving away from under the shadow of the erstwhile J&K government. But the COVID-19 pandemic has dashed all those hopes and plans of the region.
Everyone doesn't know, but Ladakh is only functional for 6 months in a year, because we have like very harsh winters, due to which things are not possible, and like businesses can't run in winters. And due to COVID-19, now even in summers, it's been like a whole year of lockdown for us, which is very unfortunate.
We had a good year of tourism last year, but this year, if you look at the present condition, I mean, the tourism industry is at a standstill. Since September last year, when our tourism ended for 2019, and currently we have entered into June, so it's been close to 9 months that the people associated with the tourism industry are without any work or income.
Travel agents are inviting both domestic and international tourists during the season, and they give work and employees to horsemen, taxi drivers, hotels, then helpers, cooks. So many people are involved, and we have been informed, it's a fact, about 60% of the GDP of Ladakh, it depends on tourism. So if this sector of the economy suffers, the whole economy of Ladakh suffers, and many other people, it's a unbearable cost, huge unemployment, lot of people are unemployed. It's a disaster.
Now I am just free roaming around here and there. I don't have any job, so it is very difficult for me and all the other people who are dependent on the tourism.
There are not many people, so our restaurant is also closed. We are serving Ladakhi food, and we want people from outside to come and experience. But with COVID-19, if we also open, there's no point of opening because there are not many people. So yeah, this year we don't know what to do.
We as an association are trying to come together and fight this pandemic and to come out successful. But it's a matter of survival, which I mean, this year we don't see any hope of the industry getting revived. So it's a big threat to the small players.
इन द मीन टाइम हम अपने एडमिनिस्ट्रेशंस को, यूटी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशंस, एलएसडीसी ले को भी अप्रोच कर रहे हैं रिगार्डिंग कुछ फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस के लिए। हम काफ़ी दिनों से हम चलते आ रहे हैं कि उनको एड के लिए, मुझे नहीं लगता कि कुछ मिले, बट फिर भी हमने कुछ चीज़ों के लिए हमने रिक्वेस्ट किया है। आई होप वी आर बिट पॉजिटिव कि हमें कुछ रिलीफ मिले। हमें जो है इस इंडस्ट्री में लगभग 300 से 400 करोड़ का लॉसेस हुआ है पूरा इंडस्ट्री में। तो इस वक्त हम बहुत ही एक नाजुक स्थिति में हैं।